Now, the customer has told me that the sliding door is making some noises. I can see it's very rusty here. You can see it's very rusted out here, so I'm probably going to lubricate it. I lubricate the other side already. I still need to vacuum and clean it up. I can see some toys and stuff that's in the way, like this thing here. There's this piece is not supposed to be in there. You see a bunch of objects and stuff and debris and dirt. So first thing I'm gonna do is to vacuum everything out and to lubricate all the hinges and the latches and everything. And especially on the rear here, on the back of the door, the latches here and the hinges over here. The customer was complaining that there was a noise or a sound, and that's probably why, because there's a bunch of objects in here and stuff. So I need to clean everything out and then lubricate everything and just go from there. Piece that's in there, piece of paper or whatever it is. Not sure what it is here. That's why it's making noise all the time. There's things here, bandages and crayons, all the kids stuff here. So high chance that all that stuff can roll inside here and cause issues and problems. There's a grapes, the vine from the grapes. So I'm just having a look here to pull out the piece of paper, pink piece of paper here. You can see inside and where the roller is, and you see a piece of paper here that's not supposed to be in there. I'm trying to get it out at the moment. A bunch of garbage here that's there, so that will need to be taken care of right here. You have objects and stuff in there that's causing an obstruction inside. That's why there's so many issues and noises and issues and problems with these sliding doors, because a lot of times there's a lot of stuff, because you know, you have a lot of busy people and busy families, and so they don't spend the time to have a look here, and that's where all the issues are, usually on these sliding doors. I found a small heart here. You see a gold wrapper down there. I don't know if I'll be able to get it out. I did the vacuum. Now I'm just going to lubricate it. I can't do a really good clean because I'm running out of time. I'm going to lubricate it. The roller inside here. There's a roller that's inside. You want to lubricate that. All the latches and the hinges in the back. And at the same time, you want to activate the door and lubricate it at the same time. And the rails and everything. using the fluid film spray. So we'll keep on repeating the procedure as necessary until it smoothens out the door operation. On the one side of the sliding door, I found this piece here. It was hiding underneath the sliding door, so that was causing problems too.